Introducing the Playgroup Learning Kit, thoughtfully designed to delight every parent and elevate your preschool's brand. Your preschoolers get so much in one powerful learning kit. Each set includes 6 high-quality AR-enabled books and a do-it-yourself multiple intelligence portal for every child. And what's more, you also get a school bag, a creative craft kit, an inspiring drawing book plus the state language book included. One kit, complete learning, zero hassle. My Bright books have been thoughtfully designed to meet the requirements of the National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2023, ensuring your school is future-ready, compliant, and child-centric. The Smart Book Kit for Playgroup covers a 60 pages worksheets, activity books, a 28 pages picture book of ABC, a 28 pages book of toddler rhymes, a 20 pages picture book of 1, 2, 3, a 56 pages storybook in user-friendly landscape format, a 60 pages picture book of coloring. The kit also includes a craft kit comprising of crayon, watercolor cake, origami paper, ribbon, and more. Additionally, for every child, a DIY multi-intelligence portal card for access to interactive activities such as quiz, craft work, Montessori exercises of practical life, etc. Discover our smart books, the book that talks, teaches, and guides. Just scan and learn. Loved by teachers for instant guidance in the classroom. With over 1,000 free videos built right into the books, learning comes alive anytime, anywhere. No separate app needed, no extra payment. Why preschool owners choose this kit? 1. Enhances the perceived value of your preschool program. 2. Impresses parents and builds a stronger school trust. 3. Comprehensive offering beyond books, craft kit, and DIY learning portal. The 4. Positions your school as progressive and parent-focused. 5. Increases your brand credibility with minimal additional effort. This Playgroup Smart Book Kit is the perfect value addition to your preschool's offering.